Discover 4 top stores to perfect your 2025 holiday outfits from SHEIN Curves in style. We are kicking off this fashion haul with the RELLE plus size women's boat neckline 2-piece set. This is a casual outfit that I'm wearing, but it could easily be dressed up. This is an outfit that I would wear to run errands, go shopping, do lunch in. I have my sneakers on, so my feet are comfortable as well, and a little bag. This is a perfect outfit that you would be comfortable in. The pants, they have an elastic waist and wide leg. The material gives. This is an outfit that I would grab at every week during the cold months ahead. The next fashion piece is by SHEIN Bay plus size. It is a glittered fashion jacket, and this is perfect for the holidays. I can see wearing this to a holiday party, a holiday concert, or even church. This beautiful jacket has a collar, a snap button, and check out these sleeves with the slit at the wrist. It is so beautiful and so comfortable. I've paired with this jacket a black tank top, black pants, and black shoes, along with a black clutch. This is perfect for any holiday event. By the way, I am sharing my height, my weight, and size of clothing here to the right. I think that this outfit here is my favorite, and it is the VIVA RELLE plus size Ombre flared pants suit in Burgundy. Now, I've seen on SHEIN that it comes in the burgundy, the black, and a teal. And all 3 colors, they look amazing. But of course, I chose the burgundy. This jacket is long sleeve, collared, and has 1 button. The pants is also buttoned as well as zipped with a wide leg. What does it for me is the ombre look. I've paired this suit with a tank top, a white tank top underneath. I do have on burgundy shoes, and I'm carrying my burgundy bag to pull this outfit together. I can see wearing this pants set or suit in the workplace. I can see wearing it to church. I can see wearing it to a holiday party. It is so versatile. The final piece is by Fleurora plus size women's round neck burgundy dress. Now, if you need a dress that's not a gown but has a wow factor, this is the one for you. It has petal-like sleeves, and look at this bling on this dress, just beautiful. It has one slit to the leg, as well as it hugs all of the curves to your body perfectly. Of course, I will be wearing this beautiful dress to church, but it can be worn to any holiday event. I've paired this dress with some bling silver shoes and this beautiful silver bling clutch. Now, how do I choose clothes on SHEIN? Well, let me let you in on my secret. Forget wasting time strolling through thousands of clothing images. Simply download the SHEIN app and stay tuned for the trendiest by searching and following my 4 SHEIN favorite stores listed below. Just type in the mentioned store names on SHEIN and find your perfect outfit instantly. And don't miss out. Use my coupon code that's listed below for extra savings on your favorite picks. Now, if you've missed anything, all of this information will be listed in my description box below. Well, that's all I have for you in today's video. I enjoy bringing fashions to you, especially to our plus size curvy women. We can feel good and look pretty and be confident in the size that we are. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click that bell so you'll be notified of all uploads here on Kimberly Davis, A Blessed Home. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok. And I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am blessed that you are a part of this amazing family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.